This video is only for educational purposes.
Hello friends, I hope you're well. In this new tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Megapari bonus account by using the mobile application. If you want to create your Megapari bonus account by using the web version on your computer, I recommend that you watch the video that appears at the top right of this screen. For those of you who are going to watch this tutorial to the end, I've got a surprise for you. If you don't have the Megapari app on your phone, you'll find a link to download the Megapari app at the bottom of the video description. Just click on that link and the application will download automatically. Alternatively, you can click on the register with Megapari link and you will automatically be redirected to this page. On this page, scroll down and click on download. Beware of this message because it's a message that arrives when you want to download an application outside the Play Stores and App Stores, so click on download anyway. To see how the download is progressing, click on details. After downloading, click here to begin installation. The installation process is the same as for all the other applications you use every day. Now click on open. To start creating your Megapari bonus account, click on registration. If you want to use sports betting to supplement your income, the information you provide on this page must be the same as that on your identity documents. The logarithm of Megapari automatically detects the name of your country. As far as the currency of your main account is concerned, I should point out that you are not obliged to use the local currency of your country. You can use any currency you feel comfortable with. This is where you insert your email address. As far as the password is concerned, Megapari requires that a password must contain at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. To make sure you have remembered your password, Megapari will ask you to repeat the same password. As you need a bonus account, you need to be very careful about the promo code you use. Here, I recommend that you use the promo code that I myself have been using for years on all my accounts. This promo code is the
AD5X. AD5X.
So, if you also want to create a bonus account with one of these bookmakers, you should always use the certified promo code
AD5X.
Here you need to select the sports bonus. To complete your registration, you must select all 4 boxes to accept to receive the outcomes of your bets by mail, the terms of use, and the privacy policy of Megapari, and also confirm that you are over 18 years old. Before clicking on the OK button, check that the information you have entered is correct. If it is correct, click on the OK button. For security reasons, Megapari will ask you to confirm that you are not a robot. To confirm this, select this box. Here you need to select the images of the objects shown. Once you've selected them all, click on Verify. By clicking on Send Code, Megapari will send a confirmation code to your email inbox. You need to open the email to find the code. It's this code which you'll enter here. Once you have entered the confirmation code you received by email, click on Activate. Before clicking on Next, you need to save this information somewhere in a secure place, as it will be with these identifiers that you will be able to connect to the Megapari website and application. When you click Next, you will be automatically logged into your account. Before making your first deposit, click here on Menu. Then click on Personal Profile. Next, click on Fill in Personal Data. The most important information to fill in on this page are your first name, your surname, your date of birth. To find it, you need to scroll. Your region or province of residence, your city or town of residence, the type of document that you're using, your document number, the date of issue of your document, and lastly, the name of the institution to which you delivered this document. Check that the information you have filled in is correct. If it is correct, click on the OK button. And lastly, you need to add your telephone number. To add it, click here. This is where you write the telephone number without the 0, because your country code is already there. Once you have entered the number, click Next. Here you will confirm that you are not a robot. Here you need to select the images of the objects shown. Once you've selected them all, click on Verify. After clicking on Send Code, Megapari will send you a short message containing a confirmation code. If you don't receive this message after a while, wait for the timer to reach 0 and then click on Resend Code. This is where you insert that confirmation code, and after entering it, you now need to click on Activate. Congratulations, you have just created your Megapari bonus account. If you have followed all the steps described in this video, your first deposit will certainly be doubled, and for all recharges you make on Saturday, you will be entitled to a 100% bonus. The withdrawal of your funds will also be instantaneous, and on your birthday, you will be entitled to a free bet. To guide you step by step on how to recharge your Megapari account, I've included a video in the top right-hand corner of this screen and at the bottom in the description of this video. Do you have a question? Tell me in the comments and I'll be happy to reply. If you like the content of this tutorial, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. To reward you for making it to the end, I'd like you to join our Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram channels to get our free predictions. The links are in the description of this tutorial. Thank you very much for following this tutorial to the end. I wish you all the best in your sports betting business.